So, welcome to the ClearCryptos channel. My name's Austin, and I'm here to help you kind of navigate crypto and kind of know what is going on. And in this video, we're going to be talking about Shiba Inu in October. Okay, so this is a really interesting scenario that I want to kind of make you aware of in case you did not know. But before I get into that, if you're interested in Clear or want to learn more, definitely check out links in the description to all of the information having to do with Clear, including their socials. Highly recommend you get involved in their Discord. That's where all the latest and greatest information is. Okay. So, October, will it be a massive big month for Shiba Inu? Yes or no? That has yet to be seen, but there is a very interesting historical precedent here. If you didn't know this, in October of 2021, Shiba Inu kicked off a meteoric, never seen before 2.5 to 3 week run that was 1,005% run up in the month of October 2021. You heard me right. 1,005%. That's how much SHIB rose in the month of October 2021. So the question that I'm postulating, the question that I'm posing is October 2022, is it going to be a big month for Shiba Inu? And the answer is quite possibly. Here's why. We've got some really interesting technical analysis, some TA numbers coming in. RSI is looking really good. So there is kind of this momentum possibly building. It's not directly correlated to the price action now. Okay. So these are kind of strength indicators, things like this from a TA standpoint. I'm not diving into all that. I'm not going to dig deep into that. I'm just simply saying that that is a factor. Okay. Beyond that, we still have a little bit of uncertainty around what is the Federal Reserve going to do or not do September 20th and 21st coming up, about 10 or 11 days from now, depending upon when you're watching this video. Are they going to raise interest rate? Yeah, they are. Okay. But with all that said, we've got this really interesting kind of macroeconomic landscape that's kind of in the mix that could put a dampener, if you kind of dampen, right? Could dampen down. Is something going to happen with a massive run up in October for Shiba Inu? The truth of the matter is that we simply don't know. But October could be a big month. It has historically been that, and it could run up. Now, the last thing I would say is take what I just said and set it all aside and go, all right, if you're looking at SHIB and you're trying to figure out either A, adding to your bag, or B, just getting into it in general, you can kind of go, hey, you can ask yourself, do you believe in the ecosystem? What's going on with SHIB? Yes or no? You know, all the stuff coming, all the active development, all that is just, there's all of this stuff around SHIB. Check it out, go look. But I can tell you there's a time. And if you're looking at kind of a long-term community token play, SHIB's pretty darn good. It is, in my opinion, the best one out there. Not investing advice. Of course, I'm not telling you to go buy it. I'm simply just pointing out some facts. Beyond that, keep your eye on October. That's all I got for you. Thank you. If you're interested in learning more about Clear, definitely check the links below. Get involved in their Discord, and I will see you. Have a good one. Take care.